Hey everybody, Seth here from Blanton Racing. Just want to give everybody a quick update on what's going on for us here in the 2020 race season. Austin's going to jump behind the wheel of the number 77 mini stock this season, and we're going to race as much as we can. And we're going to try to rack up some points, get Austin some seat time in the class. And, Austin and I are both looking forward to seeing the 77 rubbing fenders against drivers that are veterans in the class, like Jason Sanders and Travis Pavlaki, and then some other rookies that are going to be in the class this year. So super excited for that. Excited to see the Marina Speedways getting back to racing today. And the meat stocks are on the slate tonight, but unfortunately we had a couple extra months to get the car ready, and we just did not get it done. And also we have a team member that's going to be leaving us for the summer. So I just want to take some time to spend some time with that team member here and put family before racing. So with that, we'd like to thank our sponsors, the TI Company, Shoreline Property Management, Carbon Designs Custom Vinyl, Moztec Automotive, Smoky Mountain Pizza. And, we hope to be at the track soon. We'll get the car done as soon as we can, and we're looking forward to getting out there and getting some laps in under our belts in the mini stock class. We hope everybody's healthy, and we'll see you at the track soon.